So I often get comments from people who are wondering what Blender version I used in a certain tutorial. And I always use the latest stable version of Blender, but of course after months and years there will always be a new Blender version, so older tutorials won't be using the latest version. But there's actually a really easy way to figure out what version a tutorial creator is using. So this is my sci-fi worker robot tutorial that I created a little while back, and you can see right down here in the bottom corner of Blender it's going to display the version. Here's another tutorial that I created a while back. This is my procedural asteroid material, and with this video there's so much data here in the bottom right corner that you can't see the Blender version, but if you just kind of skip ahead, I actually found a spot where it'll show the Blender version. So you can see I was using 2.93. And if you're watching an older tutorial that was before Blender 2.8, the user interface was a little bit different, and this is Blender Guru's Anvil tutorial series that he created a little while back. Link will be in the description, and you can see the user interface is a bit different, so it's actually going to be right up here on the top. So you can see he was using version 2.78.5. So using that data, you can pretty much always figure out the Blender version that the tutorial creator was using, as long as they were screen recording their entire Blender window. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.